Hi friends, this is Peter from Tech Analyst. Hope everyone is doing good. Those who are new to this channel and those who are not subscribed this channel, please take some time. Just below this video you will find a subscribe button. Hit on a subscribe button and also hit on a bell icon so any video is been uploaded you will never miss my videos. It will notify you immediately. And also share these videos to your trading friends so they also gain some knowledge out of this video. So today we are going to see about a symmetrical triangle pattern. What is this symmetrical triangle pattern? A small brief I will explain what is this symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle pattern is a continuation trend pattern. If there is a uptrend, in the uptrend you will find a symmetrical triangle pattern. When market is continuously going, market or stock, anything, stock, indices, commodity, whatever may be, it's going in the uptrend. When it is continuously going uptrend and it take a pause, a consolidation period, that is a consolidation period. In the consolidation period the pattern forms, the symmetrical triangle pattern forms. It is a continuation trend toward the up. It might reverse also. Okay, so after the breakout only we need to take a trade. Okay, I'll explain very deeply. Please see this video till the end. You will learn something and you can earn a lot of money out of this pattern. Okay, lot of technical analysts and also lot of professional traders trade with these types of pattern. Okay, we have lot of types of pattern. I'll be sharing every week one nature of patterns and how to trade on that patterns. Okay, today we are going to see only the symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, so it is in a continuation trend. When there is an uptrend, you will find a continuation trend toward the upside. It may reverse also, and the downside it may form a triangle, symmetrical triangle pattern, and again it may fall further down. For an example, I will take in a rubber band man, a rubber band man. Okay, a man. Okay, you tie a rubber band to him and he'll start running. Okay, after he goes some further, he get tired and he take a pause and somewhere, someplace he'll take a pause. Okay, so after taking a pause, okay, the rubber will pull him back sometime, because it is a rubber. It will pull him back toward the backside because it rubber got stretched. So when it is pulling back again, he'll try to go further upside. Okay, because he's running toward upside. So when he goes up and he comes little back because he got tired going continuously going upside. So in this point, okay, it will form like this, small 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 small. Okay, this will become like triangle. Okay, I will show you exactly. Okay, so after breakout again he'll start running further. The rubber will get stretched again. Somewhere he'll take a pause. This is one small example I was showing. Okay, I'll erase this and I'll give one more example on the triangle pattern. Okay, as I told you, this is a continuation trend. It may reverse and the uptrend, it may reverse on the bottom downside also. After breakout only you have to take in a trade. Now this is a triangle, symmetrical triangle. Okay, now a stock start going up. Okay, coming down, going up and coming down, again going up, again coming down, again going up here. Okay, so this is a symmetrical triangle pattern. Higher low formation and lower high formation. So what you will think seeing this pattern? The buyer is losing the strength and even seller is losing the strength. So because buyer is losing the strength, it forming a higher loss, right? So seller is losing the strength, it is forming a lower high, right? Okay. Now if there is a breakout after the pattern formation, there should be a breakout, because higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, it is started forming, and finally here it doesn't have any space to form a higher low in this area, right? So it has to break outside, either upside or downside. So this is what the triangle pattern says. Okay, what would be the target of this triangle pattern and where we should take in a trade, right? Okay, in this I'll give an example. A spring, you take in a spring. Okay, okay, this is a spring. Okay, you start squeezing this spring and bring this spring here. Okay, bring this spring here. I'll erase all these things so that I can show you very clearly. Again I will try it. Okay, this is a triangle pattern. Okay, as I told you, this is spring. Okay, you squeeze the spring and bring it to here. Okay, this spring doesn't lose its strength. Okay, its spring has always its strength remain. If you squeeze whatever level you want to squeeze, okay, to zero level also you can squeeze till here, the spring will get compressed. Okay, once it getting a chance to get out, okay, the spring original height, again it will come and stand at the original height, the original height. So the target would be the height of the pattern. The target would be the height of the where the symmetrical triangle started forming. The height would be the target of the symmetrical pattern. Okay, this would be the target. So where you should take in a trade in the symmetrical pattern. Okay, now I'll show you higher low, lower high, lower high. Okay, and when it come here and start breaking out, your previous swing high, if it coming out of the triangle pattern, and if it come out of the previous swing high, you should enter your position in this place. Okay, and your target would be the spring height. What I told you is the spring height would be your target. Okay, and what would be your stop loss? Your stop loss would be the previous swing low, because when this triangle pattern comes down to this swing, the already it would have been broke the triangle pattern outside. So when it broke the outside the pattern, so it will tend to come down, right, to a till this spring height, okay, will be the bottom side target, either side. Okay, dear friends, I think we're getting the point what I'm trying to explain you on the triangle pattern. Okay, this is a powerful pattern. Lot of people makes huge money out of this pattern. Okay, so I will show you some example from the chart now. Okay, we'll go to a chart directly. I kept drawn in my chart already, because it otherwise if drawing now it will take some times. Okay, see here a symmetrical triangle pattern has formation has happened. Okay, from here the buyer started taking upside. Okay, it got rejection here, came here, it got rejection, again came here, it got rejection, again came down, it got rejection, or continuously the higher low formation and high higher low formation and lower high formation was happening here, right? So in this chart you can see clearly, as I told you, once the breakout happens, the swing low should get broken. The swing low should get broken. Okay, see this is the swing low should get broken. Okay, once got broken, again it came and tested that level, but it did not go up beyond this, it came down. Okay, the previous swing low it should break, and then you should take a trade, and you will find very good high movement in this. See what is the target? As I told you the target, I'll show you the target exactly. See the formation of the triangle pattern, okay, was started here. I will exactly show you the target. Okay, okay, this is the target of the triangle symmetrical triangle pattern. You can see here, after a target given, it started resting in this point. Can you see exactly the target has hit and started resting in this point? It has fallen further down. Okay, we'll see one or another two or three examples of this symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, here also you can see, as I told you, this is a continuation trend. Okay, this is a continuation trend. Market was going coming from down to up. See, from down to up it is going, and it started taking a rest in this point, came down, going up, came down, going up, came down and going up. Okay, where should you buy? Taken a buy call after breaking this swing, right? This swing, after breaking out from this triangle pattern and breaking out of this swing, you should take a trade, right? And your stop loss would be the previous swing. If this breakout, and again it will come fall, otherwise it will go up only. Okay, so what would be the target? As I told you, the target, yeah, you can see here, the target would be the height of the triangle. That is what I told you, the spring. Okay, this spring will take its original position after getting a space to come out. Okay, this would be the target. You can see how accurate this has given a target. Okay, after giving a target, it started testing in this point. Okay, how accurately it has given a target. So it will give a target. If you want to book your profit in between also, you can book, no problem. But the pattern nature is that it will give a target where the triangle formation has started. Okay, that wide will be the target of the breakout. Okay, we'll see one more example also, one or two examples. Yes, you can see here SBI has formed super triangle pattern. It is taking rejection here, taking rejection here, taking rejection here. It is taking rejection here, lower high and higher low formation on the pattern. The buyer is losing strength and forming a lower higher low, and seller is losing the strength and forming a lower high. Okay, so both are losing strength and coming one point, and it is getting squeezed. Finally it will break out. So where your entry would be the this swing breakout, right? This swing breakout, this swing breakout would be your entry point. After enter, the height of the pattern would be the height of the pattern would be the your target, right? This would be your target. I'll show you, and you can see here how accurately it is taking support from this target. After achieving the target, it has again bounced back up, right? One more example, final example I'll show you. Why I'm showing so much of example? Because this pattern is very strong pattern. People are making huge money in these patterns. Okay, even we are trading on this pattern. Lot of patterns are there, all the patterns we are trading in, but this is one pattern. Today I'm making a video. Maybe again by this week I'll make another video on another pattern. Please watch out my all the videos which I posted. Okay, see here also, after a uptrend, it taken a consolidation period of the triangle, and then after breakout it started going up. The height of this is in this place actually. Okay, it taking time, so I wanted to close this. So this height of this is this point. It is taking exactly on that, resting on that point and came down. Again it gone up, that is different. Okay, but target would be the height of the wide of the triangle pattern. So dear friends, trading, finding out the pattern is a skill art. Okay, you need to watch the chart very carefully. You need to continuously go backward at least 100 days chart, 10 50 days chart, 200 days chart. Find out the triangle pattern wherever pattern has formation happen. In the live market also, try to find a triangle pattern on the live market, so that it will make you practicing this triangle pattern. After the breakout can take in a trade. But dear friends, one more thing I just wanted to tell you, your money management is most important in this actually trading. Okay, if you don't have money management, you lose huge money in. So money management is the most important thing. You should have a knowledge of money management. Okay, and whenever this pattern breakout happens, okay, your volume will spike. You can see the volume spike. See here, the breakout has given, you can see the volume spike. You can see in this point, right? See here, in this candle you can see a volume spike. When you see a volume spike, the breakout will be burst with the strength, because the volumes, you can see a volume spike here. Till here you can see a volume is nothing, the volume is very low, but in the breakout you can see a high volume. So with the volume breakout will not be a false breakout. It will give you a target of your height of the triangle pattern. So this is how you need to trade within a triangle pattern. Dear friends, I think you are clear. And also, if you have any doubts on this what I am making a video, please leave your comments on the video comment section, so that I will clear all your doubts, all your queries, so it will help you on your trading or intraday or positional trading, whatever may be. So also, dear friends, please share this to your trading friends. They also learn something out of this video and earn from the market. Thank you very much, friends. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. See you.